It's English time with Gaia. Let's play together. Guess the farm animals in English. Listen. What animal is this? Yes, it is a cow. Say it with me, cow. Listen again. What is it? Correct. It is a sheep. Say it, sheep. Now listen. What animal is this? Correct. It is a pig. Say it with me, pig. Next one. What animal is this? That's right, a chicken. Repeat, a chicken. Listen. What is it? Perfect. It is a horse. Again, horse. Wow, you are amazing. Which farm animal do you like best? Tell me in the comments. Hey parents! Want more fun activities like this? Comment gift below and I'll send you my free guide, 5 fun games to play with your child. See you next time for more English fun.